Got our first test kit going, 946. This went down. So we're seeing how hard that'll get. Gotta put it on these hinges. This hinges. That one's no good. That one's kind of busted too. They both, this one's the worst of all of them. Sorry to see what this is going to look like. Yeah. So it's really bad. So I'm not sure if that's another hinge or it's a real soft spot in the middle here. I don't know how far back that'll go. So what I gotta do, it's hard because this cable is connected to the door, which makes it even more difficult. So I gotta get in here with some tweezers and actually see what's going on here. Oh man, looks like the Nitacore. It has some kind of a really, there's no bond here. There's no bond to the carbon fiber. And it looks like it tore the entire hinge assembly. Okay. That's interesting. Man. So there's where the nut plates are fastened. They hold it on. Okay, well, this is gonna be what it is.